nice place to pick up, from what I'm told, a super nice split bumper Camaro. So I love these cars. They're kind of bulky, but I think they're one of the best looking cars that Chevrolet ever built. Have no idea the details about it, but most of the time when I go pick these cars up, I'm never disappointed. So when I get it back to town, I will do a video of it, take a few pictures, and let y'all check this one out. Once again, thanks for sticking with me. Still got a lot going on, but I'll get everything picked back up soon. And I appreciate you guys. And be safe this summer, because it seems like it's going to be a hot one. And enjoy yourselves and spend all the time you can with friends and family, because this crap of life goes by way faster than I would ever imagine. So y'all take care, and thanks for checking me out. And on top of the stuff that was going on with my dad, my grandfather passed away last week from a battle with brain cancer. And he's the reason that I'm in towing. He's the reason my Uncle Tracy started his wrecker service. I mean, he just taught us everything we know. He's the reason I can drive anything, fix anything, weld anything. I mean, he always taught me just to do it. I mean, I appreciate the guy more than he will ever know, and I'll tell you that cancer's a rough deal, especially brain cancer. It will take who you are away, and I mean, I appreciate all the law enforcement, fire department, all the public, the rescue squad, everyone else that helped throw him such an epic funeral, and especially the other wrecker services that came to be in the procession. He would be extremely proud and extremely honored, and we will make sure to carry on his legacy just as long as we're alive. And I wish y'all would have got a chance to know him, because he is one of the people that will give you the shirt off his back. But thank you guys for sticking with me. I appreciate it.